My name is Derek Francis. I'm the Director of Training here at Learning Alliance, and I'm responsible for all the training that we conduct here in the building. The Broadband Digital Installer Program is a 4-week-long program where students learn all of the ins and outs and intricacies that are involved in climbing towers, as well as laying cable, any copper, as well as fiber. That all encompasses the broadband ecosystem.
What brought me to LAC was I was working in the juvenile corrections for a little bit. I got injured and I needed to find a different job, change my life up a little bit.
For the hands-on training that we do here, we focus a lot on the crawl, walk, run methodology. So we start really small, handing someone a harness, telling them what the harness is, what it does, understanding all the standards, and then we progressively get more involved and more in depth. We add things to that, such as putting on your Pelican hooks. Then from your Pelican hooks, you start to climb, you utilize that piece. Once you have that down, then we start working with the work positions. We go over rescues. Once we have all of our rescues done, we get out to a large site and we go up a real active tower, and then we progress into the hands-on components, or rather the tooling pieces. So working with the capstan hoist, putting it all together, actually doing work up there. Now that we can climb the tower, let's do some work up there.
What brought me to LAC was the opportunity to engage in a growing technological career in telecoms. I looked at many different programs before choosing this one, but the reputation of this place is what really brought me here.
After students are done with our program, they can certainly look forward to getting confident placement and knowing that they've been trained as an entry-level technician, and they're able to fit into most of the jobs that are available for a broadband installer.
What brought me to LAC was the different type of work, because I used to work as an electrician, but this is more into tower technician and then fiber optic cable work, which is something I'm really interested in.
So once they graduate here, they leave with about 12 certifications that are third-party, industry-recognized certifications, such as Safety LMS Authorized Climber and Rescue, the capstan hoist operation from Safety LMS, NCTI Installer and Maintenance Technicians, as well as the NCTI Fiber. So it really is a turnkey solution for them to go out into the telecom industry or the broadband industry and get pretty much any job that they want.